Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So in my honest opinion, one of the holy grails of SEO and the topic that people do not often talk about is the newer keywords, the keywords that you can write an article on that nobody has served yet or served to a sufficient extent. So this keyword hunting is one of the best ways to get traffic even for a newer blog. And in this video, I'll show you a couple of ways of how you can use Perplexity to find those keywords that you can target with your review type of articles or videos. So let's get started. So once you get to Perplexity, there are a few modes that you can use. The mode that I use most often is all. But in this instance, we'll start with the social, which will fetch data from Reddit and Reddit alone. And since I talk about AI writing tools a lot, let's use that as an example. So let's write a very simple prompt, which is which new AI writing tools have just been launched. We need to have the Pro toggle all the way to the right. Several new AI writing tools have been launched or gained prominence. Here are some of the most notable recent additions. So Blanely is a new launched AI writing tool specifically designed for academic purposes. WordsAI, Koala. Well, I know for a fact that Koala is not a new product, but the other two I have never heard of. So what you can do for now is just go, give me the names only. Okay, let's note this down. I won't be copying Koala, but Blaney and OpenWord is gonna be on the list. Now let's start a new thread, and this time around we'll choose video, which is gonna fetch data from YouTube, and we'll repeat the prompt. Which new AI writing tools have just been launched? And for those wondering, these prompts are going to be part of my free ChatGPT library, link down below. And once again, this might not be 100% accurate. So WordsAtScale, I think this is from my fellow YouTuber, Merlin, Metametrics, AgeNet. Again, not familiar with many of these tools. Once again, just give me the names. Okay, beautiful. I'll copy them and add to my list. Now let me switch to all, and I'll be using AppSumo as a source. So I usually, not always, but usually AI writing tools are in the content marketing category. So let me copy the URL, and the prompt is going to be very simple as per usual. Give me a list of all AI tools on the page. Okay, there you go. Unifier, Frank AI. Okay. Now just the names. Beautiful. Let's add them to the master list. Now, as a final touch, let's start a new thread. We'll use an all mode, and the prompt is very simple. Which of the listed tools do not have a comprehensive review article on Google? And this is the list that we've compiled. And the likelihood of these tools being picked up by one of the AI generators is very high, but I'm talking about a proper review type of article. Based on the search results and additional analysis, the following tools appear to lack comprehensive reviews. So let's check them one by one, starting from the first ones. Blaney review, showing results now. I want this one, Blaney reviews. Product Hunt, Reddit, Blaney's website. Yeah. So I'm seeing that we don't have a comprehensive review on that. Let's try F4 AI. Bunch of videos, G4, AppSumo, Product Hunt, Capterra, AppSumo again. We don't have a self-sufficient comprehensive review. WordsAI, Reddit, LinkedIn, and this is not a review, this is a list of different AI tools, which WordsAI is part of. We have an WordsAI's website. And yeah, so I don't see a comprehensive review type of article. So if you wanted to get traffic like today or tomorrow, just write a review on WordsAI. Let's just check this tool. I don't know what it is. AI SEO writer that outranks your competition. So they say. Okay. And this is how you fetch those low competition, underserved keywords with Perplexity. I'm sure there are way more use cases that I'm showing right now, but the products/tools is the easiest ones to go after. Hope this video was helpful. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.